after his father was about to sacrifice him? Did Isaac hate his father? Did Isaac question his father's love for him? Or did Isaac simply take a lesson from that incident, that my father can do anything for the God that he serves, including giving up me that he waited for 25 good years? Isaac simply took a lesson from him, because when we progress from Abraham to Isaac's story, you will see that Isaac never wavered. He never stopped trusting God. He served the God his father trusted. He would have easily said, this God that almost made my father sacrifice me. He never did. He followed the legacy of his father. Most of us these days easily give up. Just because you face one trial, you are tested in one way or the other, you tend to just forget about God. I don't believe in God. This God had bad things to happen. So the question to you today is, what is that thing that has happened to you that is making you think that you serve a bad God? Really?